How's it going, guys? Today we're gonna play Spintires, and it's a new game that I got. It might be a little laggy since I only have like 12 FPS right now, but you know, you have to deal with it. So this game, I think this game is really cool because you know, no other game focuses so much on their mud physics. Plus, just look at this car. Look at what I'm driving here. That's just awesome. Plus, it even has like a little crane on the top, so we can use that. Let's use that now. Let's use that now. Let's use the crane. Look at those little anchors. That's cool. And push those. Now you can't move the car at all. Whoa, look at this. You can use the crane. I don't really know what what you'd use this for, but it's pretty cool. Look, you can grab stuff. These are super realistic trucks here. One other cool thing I figured out is that you can use like a winch. If you get stuck in the mud, you can use a winch to get yourself out. And we can try that up here. Let's go up this route and see if we can make it. We have like the most power possible. We have the differential lock on. We have the all-wheel drive on. Basically have everything that can give us more power on, turned on. Get out of the way, tree. You're not cool, tree. So I'll show you the winch function. You press on this little, you press V, then you press on this little dot right here, and then you press F to pull the winch. I think we got ourselves stuck here. Let's detach that. Come on! Detach, what are you doing? There. Good boy. And it does turn nighttime pretty quick. It's like 5 minutes past, and then it just turns nighttime. I might review mods with this game too. Well, let's check out the crane again. This is me, and I just turned. Let's change it back to daytime. Yes, that's nice. Starting engine. Now we're like really low on fuel. Let's get over here. Let's see what's over here. I think there's a lake over here. We can go and see that. One cool thing about these trucks is that they are super good at going through the water. Like, when I played this before, you could just drive straight through a lake and your truck was like full of water to the top and it just went straight through, no problem. It just sunk to the bottom and kept going. This is a nice lake. These graphics are pretty good, if I had to say. Make it to the mud. Make it. Make it. Come on. Come on. You got this. Okay. Yeah. It says dangerous water level, and then you can go right through the water. But it does take some damage onto your truck, so you have to watch out. My truck might flip. Oh, it just went all the way under. The guy would be drowning right then. This is an insane job. Oh yeah, achievement unlocked. We got a diver. We completely made that though. That's amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end that episode there. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more and comment. It really helps if you subscribe, and goodbye.